morning. For those of you new in the room, can I please ask you to just stand up so I acknowledge you are new to our community? Yay! There you go.
Hi, my name is Mihai. Can you hear me at the back? This is another, let's say, tradition that we have, or a symbol. You know how usually when something happens, people tend to applaud and we clap for a while. And then the energy sort of dissipates. So in order to conserve energy and our focus here, we use something called in Romanian, o aplauză. In English, it's one clap. So we need our left hand. Let's see. Thank you. We need our right hand. All right. And then we're going to do one clap, but I'm not going to say anything. Let's see if all of us can do it together at the same time. We have to pay attention.
Wow, well done. Okay. Hi. Another wish and wishes from me to you is to rest. And I do hope you are gonna prioritize sleep. It's not a waste of time this year. Relaxing in such a way in which high schoolers never have to feel the way we felt or I felt back in high school. Not enough, not right, something wrong with me because I'm dreaming, I want new things, I want to volunteer, I want high schoolers around the world to have what Transylvania College high schoolers have. A group of people like you. We are going to take a break and go out of this warm room.
My God. Just come in, we put the whole stage here so we can use the space as efficiently as possible. So hello everyone. Wow, I'm surprised. I was expecting a bit less personnel when it told me teachers and the staff, and I thought how many could they possibly be? We never did this with so many people. What we are creating here is a music that is not created by me or anyone here. It's just the mirror of what we are right now. So I invite you to just close your eyes. Let's close our eyes, everybody. And be comfortable. Take a little space around you if you need, just so you are comfortable. And we will just start just by inhaling sometimes in deeply. And we will keep doing that until things start to fall in place around us, okay? And we just go, okay? The journey has started already. The airplane is ready for We will receive you in groups here, and we will do like we go a bit deeper about how can we use this kind of wild music in the environments that you are activating in, because at times it's not really about creating a symphony, but creating a cohesion. So this is what we are going to do today here. We'll have 4 workshops.
80% of the time, does stress come from relationships, of what people do that stress you, or what you do to yourself that stresses you?
I have an opinion. Doesn't mean it's right. I think 100% of the time stress comes and blessings come in and from relationships, because we also have a relationship with ourselves. So when we're alone, we're not alone. We're with ourselves, right? So that's a relationship too.
I wanted to add, because I had the same thought, but I wanted to add that it's also a matter of the stress that I get from the relationships I have is the stress that I feel because of my reaction to what's happening in the relationship. As in, I'm stressed about how I react when something is happening, whether I say something when I shouldn't, or don't say something when I should. And most of my stress last year was caused by not saying something when I should.
So, you have these chairs and your positions, and you are each able to do and play the game of your life for the next 12 months. So, in the next 12 months, the question is, do you want to be in the same place? Or do you want to change? And if you want to change, where do you want to move this year to try and be bored? What does your mind say to being bored?
I don't know. I don't think it's been bored.
So what does it say?
Something to do there.
Yeah.
I get to make peace and to acknowledge and to feel blessed.
Striving for excellence, which is good, which is great, but the perfectionist part is actually perfectionist concerns, which do not allow you to be in the moment, to see perfection and stuff like that. So I kept the excellence part, but altered or modified the concerns, perfectionist
The other
concerns.
ways, and it made me think of when we were children and we didn't have many toys, and if we had a stack of mold, we would figure out like 50 games to play with that mold. So boredom is good.
Thank you, Theo. And you just remind me
I can't just ignore that feeling. I'm not taking it home. I keep it here.
Where here? In this in this room?
As the saying goes, I like to stay blessed.
Yeah, I want the same for you.
So if we want truly authentic relationships, it's not about being the givers, the heroes that save everyone and then burn out. Okay, it is about how well you are able to receive, whether it's compliments, money, feedback, negative feedback, someone else's opinion, things that you are able to receive, so then you do feel blessed and less stressed. So on this stick, you are going to write for yourself a compliment you wished you received from someone dear to you, but you didn't. In pairs of two, you are going to switch sticks and you are going to read to the other person the compliment they wrote.
yourself a big hug. We're going to inhale and then exhale like this. Exhale all the things that you want to get out that you have been holding on to today, yesterday. Inhale. Stick your tongue out, feels better.
We can come here in the front. He's filming us and he can also film you. What do you teach them?
I don't teach, I lead and manage.
Lead and manage.
I do.
Do you work together? Are you the School of Trust? You're the School of Management? And I can't even show it. Hi. Do you want to sit here next to me? Hi. Sir, are you also married? We were talking about marriage. Why are you looking like, is your wife here? Hey, come on, you can sit here. Come on, Colleen, come on, be brave. Excuse, I like how you left him here. You're like, I'm gonna... Okay, you didn't go with Colleen.
If he gets lost, I want people to know.
In Berlin was different by that time.
It's not.
I don't know what you're talking about, but I know about Berlin. Everything is different when you come back from Berlin.
Sometimes when we think of self-regulation, we think of self-control. We think of controlling our emotions, of controlling our reactions, of maybe not having them at all or finding a way to manage them because it matters, but I'm too activated because that happens. I'm too activated by what's going on with you right now, and I need a wall to protect myself. But then on the other end, that's really painful because kids that they are trying to be in conflict with people that can't efficient anymore to deal with whatever comes towards me from the external world or what I have to regulate in my internal world, like our body cycle, right? Same with kids. So what happens is that sometimes behaviors are driven by need, something I need, like a need for energy. Sometimes we use the behavior, like somebody who's very sarcastic might have the need to connect, right? And as a person that they're talking to, you might feel offended by their sarcasm. And they're only trying to connect.
So we're going to do that to the beat. Unity and having fun. Those are the 4 elements of hip hop and breaking. You just do what you have already, and you just do it to the music, right? Your routines, what you know already, what you feel. And it's all about bringing you to the dance floor. Exactly. So thank you very much. Hope you had fun.
Despre cultura, muzică sălbatică e aia de la rădăcini. Ce făceau oamenii deja cu 10.000 de ani când se strângeau să cânte muzică? Nu era cineva care îi oprea pe toți, zicea, stai, tu n-ai ureche muzicală, tu oprește-te, tu nu știu ce, stai așa, repetăm toți de la măsura 3-a. Da? Unde lucrurile astea încă au rădăcini adânci. Și acolo era în sambaul tradițional, dacă ai o sală așa de oameni, să fie inclusiv, da, inclusiv. Inclusivitatea, forma.
Cu niște intenții.
Da. You will add the clap. see that it's very easy to keep a rhythm. I invite you, if you feel so. But then again, he also the way he paced his steps was very interesting. So he said, I do respect this whole thing, and I want to play this, but I will just show you that I will just be here for a very short while. I will just cross the room. But it was a story, a very short story, but a very meaningful story. And this way, many of you show person with whom we share this space right now. You might see some shiny eyes and some shiny smiles. And I really thank you a lot for being here today, bringing yourself here, bringing your energy into these workshops. I thank my colleagues here, Diana, Sofia, Christy, and Andrei. Clap from 10 back to 0, and 0 we're just free of energy. And think when we free up all this energy, think about a place where you personally want to send this energy to. There might be a person who is sick now, who might need a little boost of energy, or whoever. Thank you.